Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. Let's start. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. After opening the Snapchat, go into Chats from the bottom bar. Then tap on the new chat icon from the bottom corner. Now from here, you can see the new group option. Click on it. Give a name to your new group. Select to add members in your group. Then click on Chat with Group. This is how you make a group chat on Snapchat. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.